As if the sky has fallen on your head. Is something wrong? Or something else?
Yes, Saraya, shut up! Don't know nonsense. What do you know about me?
Then, tell me, why did you throw the cards and come here? Come, let's play.
No, I am bored. I don't want to play. For last 10 years, we have been playing cards and smoking bidis. I want something new.
Switch off the light and get the board. Now get the board in your hand. We'll start talking.
He's right. I am also bored playing cards and smoking bidis only. But what to do?
We will play drama game.
What game? Drama game? What is that?
How it will be? Say, idiots! You don't know about drama game? Don't you remember that that day we had gone to Lingamballi to watch Company Nadaga? And you tried to tease one girl and got back nicely from that girl? Our Nadaga will be like that Company Nadaga.
Oh, you're talking about that Nadaka. Yes, yes, I know. I will act as Duryodhana. Hooray, Bhima! Where are you? Face me if you're a man. And then I will be Dushasana. Then I can pull Draupadi's sari. Hey, Panchali!
Oh, shut up, you fools! They are neither playing Ramana nor Mahabharata. No Ramayana Mahabharata business to shoot. We will play a different drama. Let us ask Chelvi and Rangi and others to join with us.
Hey, no women. Only men. That to these women. Shiva, God should save us. And don't you see how arrogant that Rangi is? She should have been born in some city. By mistake, she is here. And that Chelvi, Abba, she is really a devil. I think she is born to Rakshati.
Oh, stop it, scoundrels! Don't talk nonsense. We are playing drama game in front of educated people.
Oh.
We will include them also. Don't you be stupid.
Hey, Chitte. It is only a matter of 1 hour. 1 hour? Let us agree. Okay. Let them come.
Hey, Chelvi,
We are ready. But one condition.
what is that?
Whatever may be the drama, we will be in the lead roles. We will
No.
be Sutradharani.
Women, lead role.
Okay. Otherwise,
Yes, Sanaya. Listen, what we do, just for 1 hour, we will move to Okay, we agree. But what drama game to play?
What to play? Drama. Where is the drama game? Hey, Rama Shastri, bookworm. Will you play a role in our drama? No. Go away. I don't have time. Go. Hey, don't be womanish. Be like a man. See how we are.
Oh!
Cast this fellow. Hey.
Okay. But what drama game to play?
What game to play?
Hey, you won!
Kill it! Don't leave! None of a word! Let's kill it! Hey, Veena, what happened? Why are you running like mad dog? Oh, what do you know about our problem? Hey, Chika, cover that place! We won't go without killing it today!
Stop it, scoundrel! What do you think you are? What happened? What is that thing?
We searching a rat. A big rat. The son of a whore is spreading plague. Plague? Because of it, 2 are already gone. And we don't know how many more are going to die.
Got it! Got it!
Got it.
Got it!
Got it. Got it.
tunes. Rangi, one should award your head. See? The whole stage is ours. We can do anything we want. It's so beautiful. We can do anything we want. So nice. Hey, Chalvi, get up, get up. She's always like this. Always dreaming. You dream like this, people will laugh at you. They'll throw stones. Hey, Chalvi, get up. We should play the drama game. Get up. Sorry. I forgot that we were on stage. That's like a good girl. 80, shall we start the drama?
Yes.
Where are the dancers? Are you ready?
We are ready. Oh, Yeluka. Oh, Yeluka, Yeluka, Maya, darling.
Okay. Don't cry. It will cost you 100 rupees. Okay?
Okay.
Now you go. I will come in a minute. That must be plague.
Doctor, this is the best revenge on Korea. He has humiliated you daily. He deliberately spoils your father's money when he goes to the temple. Finish him. He once showed a case against your father for not allowing you to the temple. He calls you vegetable Shastri. Kill him! Kill him! Finish him! Kill him! Kill him!
Look, Ningi, your husband has plague. He may live or he may not live. I have done my duty, and the rest is in God's hands.
Okay, okay. Now we'll see what's happening in the king's court.
Come on, Mantri, start the game.
That person sitting in the middle is the king of a drama. His father was a king. His father's father was a king. His father's father. Don't bore the audience. Tell us what happened next. Okay, come listen. You know, he has 7 wives. He also has 7 sons and 7 daughters. And he's the 7th king in his family. And he's the 7th son of a dead king. You know, playing dice, wine, and are its favorite things. Look, how happy he is. Not at all bothered about his subjects. Subjects are dying from plague. Look at him, how happy he is. That other person, the one sitting to the right of our king, he is our mantri. We heard that he was some mantri to some king somewhere, and somehow he came here and became our mantri. No, I heard that he has this eyes on our 7th queen. And also, now he wants to become our queen, our king. It must be true. And you know, this person, he is our doctor, the government doctor. We heard that he studied in some university. Where, Rangi, which university? Which university?
They don't know anything. They Sutradhari don't know anything. They don't know anything.
Which university?
Cambridge University.
Yes, Cambridge University. You know, he's the only doctor here. That is why whatever he says is the truth. His only interest is. Hey, Chelvi, look over there. The priest of a drama is coming. He looks angry and worried. We'll see what happens next.
Shastrili, what happened? You seem to be quite worried. Why? What is the matter? Have I done anything wrong? Or someone humiliated you?
Dharma, Prabhu! Dharma! Where is Dharma here? No one is afraid of God. And these Shudras have become too much. Besides, where is Jatre? Dharma, Jatre should go together. No stopping.
Shastrili, nothing to bother.
Mantri!
Prabhu,
Jatra should be held.
it should be held, Prabhu. If your highness says no, no jatra.
But what is this I am hearing? It seems there's plague in the town. What nonsense is this? That way in the spirit. That way! Why are you silent? What is this plague goo?
Kali Yuga, Prabhu! Kali Yuga! When the people below come up, this is what happens. Plague, malaria, cholera, everything will become common. Think over this, Prabhu. Where there is dharma, there is wealth and prosperity. Otherwise,
Prabhu, what to tell? Yesterday, 4 or 5 people died of plague.
Who gave the medicine?
Myself, Prabhu.
Then, they did not die because of plague. There's no plague in the town. They have died for some other reason. Mantri, announce it as natural death. That's all.
But Prabhu, rats are giving lots of problems, Prabhu.
Don't mention about rats. Government decision from Mumbai should come. Whatever the government tells, that is the truth. Announce that. There's no plague in the town. Ah, come.
Prabhu, 7 people died of plague yesterday. People are more worried about rats and plague. They think that the king should take some action. Kill the rats, give them medicine. They seem not in good mood to celebrate Jatre, Prabhu. They're leaving the town in fear. I heard 1 or 2 cursing you. They're talking about your caste, Prabhu. They think you're a partial king.
No, you go. Cha, what is this? What has caste to do with the plague? invitees be welcomed grandly. And announce that the government doctor has declared the town as plague-free.
But Prabhu, I did not say like that, Prabhu.
I said that. I said that. If all of you have any sense, you would have said that. That way, if Jatra is not conducted, we don't get crores of rupees. Mantri, think that. If there is plague, after all, how many people die? Even if there is no plague, still people die. If old men die, nothing to worry. They burn up this year. If women die, no problem. Because they won't add anything to the treasury of the palace. If children die, nothing to worry. Because the country stands second in child producing. And there is still plenty of children. After all, who are dying? Those illiterate Sudras.
But Prabhu, what about the poor people?
Ayo, life itself burden for them. Let them die. They escape from poverty.
But what about rich people, Prabhu?
Mantri, they need not worry. Because they got plenty of money. They should be only worried about the thieves. If they die, their children will inherit the property. That's all.
Prabhu, you have heart of stone, Prabhu.
Thatre, Dharma should not be stopped. God should be worshipped. For that, Jatra should be conducted. Thatre, don't you remember what Krishna Shastra said? Then, announce that there's no plague in the town. This is my order.
Who is there? Who is there? Who are you? Why did you come? Where is the soldier?
I'm his wife. He cannot come
Why?
because he was suffering from plague. And
Don't cry here. This is not a public place. You are lying. He was suffering because of too much drinking.
Yes, he was a drunkard. That's why he's like that.
no, he had stopped drinking. I could not do anything because I didn't have even a paisa to buy medicine for him. Now, tell me what you want me to do.
Announce that there is no plague in the town. And no one should leave the place. No, but get. Announce that right there. It is not a proper order. No, go now.
Down! No one should leave this place. Jatre should be held. Jatre should be held. Jatre should be held. Jatre
This king, he is more worried about Jatre. On the one hand, people are dying of plague, and he is only worried about Jatre. If you are thinking that this play is about plague, you are mistaken. Rich people are dying to get benefit from the Jatre. Poor people are dying of plague. They came here to survive, but now they're scared. Scared to death. Big people are all relatives of the king and the mantri. They're forcing the king to conduct the Jatra as soon as possible. Lots of money are being spent for this Jatra. And our king has to listen to them because he has to survive. Hey Rangi, one question to you. What is that? Are we showing anything special on this stage? There's nothing special here. Everything is common. Hey Chilvi, look over there. I can see the king and minister coming. We'll go.
But
I know, Matrikal, I know. Today morning I got the call from Agarwal. And I have assured him that whatever happens, Jatra will be held. That's why I am insisting that Jatra should be conducted without fail. Now, you call doctor to give official notice to declare that there's no plague in the town.
Doctor!
Prabhu, doctor, no plague in the town. Mantri, tell the idiots that it is the first of their motherland. They should love their birthplace. If they leave this place, they will betray their country, their motherland, their birthplace.
Mommy. Prabhu, a telegram from Mumbai.
A telegram from Mumbai. What do the medical expert tell?
Prabhu,
Read it!
rats plague infected.
Right to the dustbin! What do they know about the rats here? They think that if there is plague in Mumbai, there should be plague everywhere in India. Idiot, uneducated children, uneducated children.
That's what I'm thinking, Prabhu. If anybody had died there, we would have heard them crying.
Prabhu.
Since everyone is dead there, there is nobody to cry.
Yes, no such doubt. There's no plague in the town. This is the truth. Jatra should go on. Doctor, say yes. Oh, what is that crying? What nonsense is this?
Mommy. Prabhu, some Sudra fellows died of plague. Nothing to worry.
Cha, these uncivilized Sudra fellows don't know how to cry and when to cry. Mantri, who said it was plague? Plague should not enter my palace without your permission. Mantri, doctor, as long as I say that there is no plague, no one should talk about it. This is my order. Oh, what is that again?
Prabhu, that Mullah Sharif died. You don't worry, we will take care of that.
Doctor, how did that man die?
Prabhu, how can I say, Prabhu? I'm not an astrologer, Prabhu.
Doctor, why do you need astrology for that? I am not satisfied with your answer. He must have died for some other reason. As a doctor, you must be able to tell it.
Prabhu, he may have died because of fear of plague.
Ha! Shabas, Doctor, Shabas. Yes, you are right. People are dying because they are scared of plague, not because of plague. Mantri, announce that there is no plague in the town and people need not be scared about it. This is my order.
Yes, sir. Announce it, Prabhu sir.
Nobody should leave the place. Doctor should be heard.
Are you leaving the place stealthily? Some are going north. And some to the south. Some to the west. And some to the east. All are in search of life. No one is worried about
meet the king. Okay. Okay.
Something has to be decided.
Yes, today at any cost we should meet him. Come, let us go.
Hey, stop it. What do you want?
We want to meet the king.
No, no. That is not possible. Ragalo is sleeping. Don't disturb him. You have an appointment.
But this is important. We have to meet him.
No, no, no. That is not possible.
What's going on here? Don't you know that Prabhu is taking rest?
Putti, the whole town is full of plague disease. People are dying. We have no money to buy medicine. We need your help, Putti. We beg you.
Hey, no, no, no. Don't do such nonsense. I can understand your problem. But what to do? Some problems are there. But think, have it well wisher. If the king does not do anything, definitely I will do something for you. If you are good and healthy, I am also good and healthy. Don't worry, I will talk to the king and solve your problem, okay? Now you go, without making any gala. Go.
Go, go, go. Good minister. Very good minister.
To bring down the king. We have got people's support. We will make use of the situations. Doctor, you will also get benefits. Sasagale, what do you think?
Mantri, I am always for the truth. If this plan saves Dharma, I am with you.
I can understand, Sasagale.
But remember that politics has always needed religion, even today. So, no tricks.
Doctor, what about you?
Okay. I am with you. But we must be very careful. Okay? Let's go.
Did you see? How cunning the conspiracy. In between them, these poor people. We shouldn't allow this to happen. We should divert the story. But it's only drama. It's not real. Moreover, all the characters are in our hands. Everything is going out of our control. We should check this. Do you remember? Before we started the drama, Bugri Gowda was whispering something in Rama Shastri's ears. Now I sense something fishy. Moreover, all the poor are dying. They're not even sparing women and children. Yes, we thought it was only drama. Now it is becoming real. Before everything goes out of our control, we should do something. But what? See, one more death.
Death here, death there. Dying, dying, dying. Dying like mad dogs. एक ही काम है क्या? Mantri, who died now? Will the dead come back if they go on crying? Cha, these dull-headed people won't understand anything. Doctor, how did this man die?
Prabhu, after having heard the people crying, he may have died of heart attack.
Ah, Shabas, Doctor, Shabas. You're brilliant. You're always solving my problem. Mantri, no one should die. When I am worrying about Jatre, these people want to die. Cha, to hell with these foolish people.
Swami,
Prabhu, people are leaving the place. Now they have arrested them. But what to do?
Mantri, chase them back to the town. If they protest, kill them or hang them. If anyone tries to flee, that man should be punished severely. Mantri, you are in charge of this fleeing matter. Cha, what will the outside think about us? Shame on these people, shame on these people. Nonsense. Viranda ho, Virande! Nobody should die without king's permission. Viranda ho, Virande! No plague in the town. Nobody should leave the place. Viranda ho, Virande!
We cannot tolerate it. Something has to be done.
Death
laws are like this, there will be no one to cry for us. Also when we are dead.
Hey, what nonsense? What's going on here?
What is this nonsense?
Go. Go.
This is common nowadays. Every time it happens. Once upon a time, people were so happy. No fights, no hypocrisy. We were all together very happy. Because we kept God ever happy. But now, everything is past. Who is there to listen to elders? Everybody is thinking old persons are burden on this earth. Now, all those new things have come up and spoiled our lives. And in addition to this bloody plague.
I think, get up. Don't bore the audience. She's always like this, talking about the past. She thinks we are spoiled by the new things. It's very difficult for the world to adjust. Come, get up, Aji.
Stupid people. ಕತ್ತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಯಾಗ ಮಣ್ಣು ಹಾಕ wasting our life.
Prabhu, since morning, 5-6 people have died. Government authorities don't know the proper reason.
Miracle, miracle. They are hurrying to die. Can't they wait till Jatra is over? If they wait, they won't die. Senseless people, senseless people. Mantri, is there Jatra in Yama's place also? I am fed up with these foolish people. Oh, I'm getting slight headache. Doctor, what is the reason?
Prabhu, one reason may be plague.
Chacha, I don't agree. Find some other reason.
Prabhu, after hearing the drum sound of the announcer, they may be dying, Prabhu.
Doctor, don't talk. This is not the time to crack jokes. Mantrigali, what you say?
Maybe doctor is right, Prabhu. People are scared that there is plague in the town. Hearing the drum sound, their heart must be beating fast, Prabhu.
Doctor, how is it possible? Is it true?
Why not, Prabhu?
Oh, all these things are making my heart beat fast.
Prabhu, that is because of Jatre. Your heart is not beating, it is dancing.
Ah, my forehead is hot. Stop the trumpeting! Let there be no more announcements. But Mantri, preparations must go on. Jatra should be held. You do that. Oh. Doctor, see if I'm having normal temperature or not. Oh. Where are you?
There is slight temperature. Nothing to worry.
But my pulses are beating fast. My body is shivering.
Oh, that is because of overjoy of Jatre. Nothing to bother. Swami.
Why do you come without my permission? You scare me. Who gave you here?
Prabhu, yourself.
Oh, get out now. Oh, I'm becoming mad. Doctor, whenever I see the soldier comes, I start trembling. What's happening to me? Mantigale, what up now?
Prabhu, it seems a rat is lying in the next room.
Huh? Rat? Is it dead?
Yes, Prabhu. Even if we make noise, it is not moving at all.
Then, Mantri, Won't make noise. Doctor, it will go on its own.
Prabhu, it's a senseless creature, Prabhu. It doesn't have wisdom.
But it is eating my head. Eating my head. Matre, use rats to chase the cats.
Prabhu.
Oh, use cats to chase the rats. And all these rats should be killed at once. I don't want to hear anything about the rats in the future. Okay?
Prabhu, what shall we do with this rat?
This rat. What to do? This rat. Yes. Let this rat be sent for rat yatra to Ayodhya.
Prabhu, shall we use the wireless?
Oh, do whatever you want. I'm feeling severe headache. Oh God. Ah.
Come, Shastrigale, come, come.
Come, Shastrigale. I hope everything is all right with you.
Prabhu, you seem to be worried. What is the matter?
I am scared about these bloody rats. I am hearing deafness since morning. And this bloody rat? Oh,
Have faith in Lord Prabhu. These problems come and go. Yagna must be performed. And then everything will be all right.
Doctor, what is your opinion?
Prabhu, no doubt at all. Shastrigalu is well read. He is omniscient. Yagna must be performed, Prabhu.
Doctor, you may be English educated, but I respect you because you understand tradition. Besides, you are the only doctor here.
Doctor, see if I'm having fever.
Prabhu, I am also thinking like that.
I hope it's not plague fever.
No, Prabhu. Common fever is for common people, not for kings like you.
Doctor, are you not afraid of plague? Shastrigale, what about you?
I have taken injection as a precautionary measure and I have given it
By
to...
God's grace, Prabhu, everything is fine with me.
Doctor, when there is no plague, why do you take injection?
I did not know at that time, Prabhu.
Will you give injection to me? Will you?
Why, Prabhu? Unnecessary, Prabhu. Gods don't need injections, Prabhu.
Oh, my head is bursting.
I want to take rest. Don't trouble me for a while.
Oh God. Shivane. Oh, save me. This headache.
How do you know that? Did he tell you?
I checked his pulse. He's developing all the symptoms.
So, what now? What are you thinking?
This is a golden opportunity to do away with him.
But how? How do you do that?
Simple. I will give him an injection. After that,
Doctor, your head is brilliant. One should reward your head. If I become the king, you will be my deputy. Shastrigale, you have to take care of the public. And I need to tell you that you will be our Dharmadhikari.
Look, Chilvi, look. What we feared is coming true. As Sudra-Ganidis, we should do something. Bureaucracy, religion, science, all seem to have joined hands against us. What can we do? But something should be done to stop this conspiracy. Rangi, we will go to the people. They are the right ones to decide. Yes, come, we'll go.
Even if I sleep, only rats come to my dreams. Oh,
Prabhu, those must not be plague rats.
Doctor, idiot. Which got told like that?
Raja Pratyaksha Devata, Prabhu. When there are no plague rats in the town, why are you worried?
But you said there are plague rats.
Prabhu, I did not have wisdom at that time, Prabhu.
Oh. Oh, my head.
Say, nonsense. Nonsense.
Hey, Matrigale, doctor, just move. What is that? Read
Prabhu,
it.
it is not good news for your health, Prabhu. These newspapers have become too much nowadays. They have written some bullshit. It is not good news for your health, Prabhu. No.
But still, read it.
Prabhu, some idiot report has written that preparation for Jatra is going on grandly. At the same time, plague is increasing grandly. Grandly.
Mantri, tell the paper reporter to use pen sensibly. Otherwise, his paper will be closed. All this paper should be closed at once. What is it, Mantri?
Yes, Prabhu.
Oh,
They are writing against your highness, Prabhu. One should censor everything.
yes, rightly said. You do that. Oh. Doctor, I am losing my strength.
Prabhu, you should be strong. You
Oh,
should not be weak.
oh, I am feeling I should lie down. Oh,
Prabhu, if you lie down, then the Jatre will also lie down.
oh, my head is aching.
Prabhu, don't worry, Prabhu. Those are just your thoughts.
Oh, my eyes are burning, doctor.
Prabhu, that shows your excellent vision, Prabhu.
My mouth is getting dry.
Prabhu, nothing to bother.
Hey, doctor, I cannot talk out of patience. Tell me what has happened to me. Oh,
Prabhu, what is there to tell? Since morning, you are hearing death news. That is why there is slight uneasiness. That is all. Nothing to worry.
oh, what does it mean? Doctor, you are hiding something from me. Tell me, you are hiding. Does it mean plague? Oh,
Prabhu, you are saying that. I am not saying that.
hey, you are afraid of plague. That's why you are not telling the truth. Tell me.
Prabhu, I am not afraid. But you are.
Oh, doctor, tell me the truth. I want the truth. I want the truth.
Prabhu, you are suffering from.
Suffering from
You are suffering from plague.
plague. Plague. Mantri, where are you? Who is there? Where are the fools? What the hell is going on here? All the rats should be killed at once. Where are the rats? Oh, Mantri! Mantri! Doctor! Why are you silent? Please give me! Please give me! Give me injection! Doctor! Tell me I won't die! I won't live long! Tell me! I won't die! Doctor, please save me! I beg you! I beg you! I beg you! Doctor! Save me! Doctor! If you save me, you will be promoted as my next Prime Minister! You will be promoted!
Doctor. Kill him!
Doctor! Where are you? Give me injection! Show me! Doctor! Tell the people to leave the town! Tell the people to leave the town! Everyone has the right to live. right to live. Life is precious. Life is important. Or else there's plague in the town. 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 There's plague. There's plague in the town. Announce that, doctor. Announce that. Mantri! Conspiracy! Against me! Sastrigale! You too! Sutradharani! Sutradharani! Where are you? Where are you, Sutradharani? Please show me! Sutradharani! Show me! Please show me! I beg you! I beg you! Please show me! You have the power to save everyone! Don't you know? Death should not be shown on this stage! Don't you know? Death should not be shown on this stage! Sutradharani! 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 Oh! Sutradharani! Sutradharani! Oh, Sutradharani! Please show me! Please show me! Don't you know? Death should not be shown on this stage! Don't you know? Death should not... Show me!
Too late now. We thought it was just a drama. But we were fools too. We did not realize the conspiracy. We did. But it's too late now. We thought there was a difference between drama and real life. But this has to end.
Yes, this has to end. We want justice.
Rangi, we will tell the truth to the people. We will reveal the true colors of these cruel people.
Yes, we shall do that. We want
We want
justice.
justice. We want justice.
Hey, soldier!
Buddhi, what about us?
We should kill the king.
Hey!
No. Calm down, calm down. We are for you. King is dead. Long live the king.
Henceforth, our dear minister will be our leader. He will not be called the king. He will be called the president. We will take care of your problems. We will take care of the plague. Don't worry. But first, Jatre. Dharma, dharma, dharma. Dharma should prevail. Where there is dharma, there can be no problem on this earth. Soldier, give them money and something to enjoy.
No! Friend! No president business! Let them solve plague first! Then we will choose our own leader!
Don't trust them. They're liars. They've killed the king for power. Don't listen to them. Believe us.
You have to listen to us! We are Sutradharinis! You have done this! We
Yes,
say-
citizens. They have lost their sense. They're mad. Let them be blessed by God.
Rangi, everything has gone out of our control. We should do something!
We should do something. We should do something.
Look! Look at these mad people. Do you want any of them? No. Then,
No!
Swami,
Long live!
President.
ಕುರುಡು ಕಾಂಚನ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಾರೆ ಸುಡು ಬಂದು ಕೈಯೊಳಗಿತ್ತು ಸುಡು ಬಂದು ಕೈಯೊಳಗಿತ್ತು ಕುರುಡು ಕಂಜಣ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದವರ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕುರುಡು ಕಂಜಣ ಕೂಲಿ ಕುಂಬಳಿಯವರ ಪಾಲಿನ ಮೈದಗಳ ಕೂಲಿಯ ಭಂಡಾರ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗಿತ್ತು ಕೂಲಿ ಕುಂಬಳಿಯವರ ಪಾಲಿನ ಮೈದಗಳ ಕೂಲಿಯ ಭಂಡಾರ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗಿತ್ತು ಕೂಲಿಯ ಭಂಡಾರ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗಿತ್ತು ಕುರುಡು ಕಂಜಣ ಕುರುಡು ಕಂಜಣ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದವರ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಲಿತ್ತು ಕುರುಡು ಕಂಜಣ ಕುರುಡು ಕಂಜಣ ಕುರುಡು ಕಂಜಣ ಕುರುಡು ಕಂಜಣ.
Oh, what a saint! How cruel you are! I don't trust you! I don't trust you! I want my people! I want my people! I'll fight! I'll fight! I want my people! Prabhu the King, Sambaya, entering political science. Mantri the Minister, who also plays Bugli Gowda, Rajesh K, MA Economics, 4th semester. Dr. N. Ramashastri, Amit Upadhyay, MA Sociology, 2nd semester. Sri Satyagrama, Bhaskar Upadhyay, MA English. He also plays Kannaya Industry. Joseph and Veera, Arvind, MA English, 2nd semester. Old woman and conscience of the doctor, Gauri, MA English, 2nd semester. Needy the citizen, Soumya Vinayan, MPhil Economics. The spy, citizen and the conscience of the doctor, Shilpa Anand, MA English, 4th semester. Shikha and the citizen, Satya Rao, PhD Hindi. Shikha, Shashika, PhD Comparative Literature. Citizen, Vasantaya, MA English, 4th semester. As the figures, we have Shashika, PhD Comparative Literature. Vasantaya, MA English, 4th semester. B. Sunita, MA English, 4th semester, and Anuradha Patil, MA English, 2nd semester. On the tabla, we have Ashwati, MPhil Economics. The lights have been arranged by Narendra, Theatre Arts, and Ratish Radhakrishna, MA English. Coordinators, Vijay Bharati, PhD Comparative Literature, English, and our special thanks to Pramod, N.S. Arun, Rupa and
Narendra, just give me the light for that, no? Narendra? Just give me the light for that.
Masters is very good. Very well done.
Hi.
पंडित जी कुछ बोलना कुछ
जरूर जरूर आर्थिक बुद्धि लेने आ जाओ हमारे पास।